Where did you go for your last vacation? Where did you go for your last vacation? Boqonnaa kee kan dhumaaf eessa deemte? I went to the beach for my last vacation. I went to the beach for my last vacation. Boqonnaa koo kan dhumaaf qarqara galaanaan deeme. What did you learn at school yesterday? What did you learn at school yesterday? Mana barumsaatti kaleessa maal baratte? I learned about math and science. I learned about math and science. Waa'ee herreegaa fi saayinsiin baradhe. What was your first memory? What was your first memory? Yaadannoon kee jalqabaa maalinni? My first memory is playing with my favorite toy as a child. My first memory is playing with my favorite toy as a child. Yaadannoon koo jalqabaa yeroo daa'imummaa ashaangulliitii koo jaaladhu waliin taphachuudha. Who was your first friend? Who was your first friend? Hiriyyaan kee jalqabaa eenyudha? My first friend was my neighbor Sarah. My first friend was my neighbor Sarah. Hiriyyaan koo jalqabaa ollaa koo Saaraadha. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? Ciree maal nyaatte? I had scrambled eggs. I had scrambled eggs. Buuphaa xabbafamaan nyaadhe. What was the last thing you bought? What was the last thing you bought? Meeshaan kan dhumaa ati bitte maalidha? The last thing I bought was a new dress. The last thing I bought was a new dress. Meeshaan kan dhumaa ani bite qamisii haaraadha. Meeshaan kan dhumaa ani bite qamisii haaraadha. What was the last sport you played? What was the last sport you played? Sportiin inni dhumaa ati taphatte maalidha? The last sport I played was basketball. The last sport I played was basketball. Sportiin inni dhumaa ani taphadhe kubbaa kochooti. Where did you go during winter vacation? Where did you go during winter vacation? Boqonnaadhaaf bona eessa deemte? Boqonnaadhaaf bona eessa deemte? I went to Kenya with my family. I went to Kenya with my family. Maatii kan koo waliin Keeniyaan deeme. What did you do before school today? What did you do before school today? What did you do before school today? Har'a mana barumsaa dura maal hojjette? I had breakfast and got dressed. I had breakfast and got dressed. Ciree koo nyaadheen wayyaa uffadhe. What did you have for dinner last night? What did you have for dinner last night? Halkan darbeef irbaata maal nyaatte? I had spaghetti. I had spaghetti. Pasta nyaadhe. When was the last time you exercised? When was the last time you exercised? Yoom sochii qaamaa kan dhumaa taasiste? The last time I exercised was yesterday. The last time I exercised was yesterday. Sochii qaamaa kan dhumaa kan taasise kaleessa.